Hi guys, I'm Paul from Production Expert, and today I'm going to be reviewing this thing, which is the Antares ATG1. Now, this is a guitar floor processor that basically can change different sounds on your guitar. So you can change the pitch of the guitar and change the model of the pickups and change the tone of the guitar that you're using. So it comes like this. It's built like a tank. It's full metal construction, and I'm very impressed with the actual quality of the build of it. It's very, very, very rugged. So Antares sent me this, and they sent me over this, which is a Fender Strat. But as you can see, if you look up close, it's got a Roland GK pickup built into it. And on the bottom of the guitar, the only thing that differentiates this between a normal Strat is this switch here, these two switches here, and on the bottom we've got a hex pickup lead input as well. And it plays very well actually, but we're not reviewing this today, we're reviewing the ATG1. So let me show you the lead that also comes with this as well. This is the type of connector, as you can see, it's a bit like a MIDI type cable, but it comes with the guitar, so that plugs into the guitar and into the back of the ATG1. So let's have a listen to some of the sounds you can get out of it. Now I'm going to be using my feet on this, so yes, I am wearing flip-flops, and before any jokes come out about my feet, they can all be directed to my father, Shrek, or my mother, Princess Fiona. So first of all, let's record a bass, and what I'm going to do, I'm just going to play this Strat guitar, but using the bass preset, so it's obviously going to be doing some tuning stuff. So let's try that first of all. Okay, I'm just going to loop that. Okay, now I'm going to click on patch number 2, which is Modbucker Bridge, and let's do some playing there. Change the patch here as well on the guitar amp. Okay, let's try something different now. I'm going to come down here, and I'm going to use this patch Acoustic Dreadnought 12.2. So let's hear that. So that's interesting. So that's actually doubling up the guitar there and doing some pitching as well. So it's taking the strings up a full octave as well. So it sounds quite good. Quite like that. Okay, what I'm going to do now is to try another bass sound. So I can use the bank selector here. So if I click on bank and I go to bank 2 and I choose the preset number 8, I've got this jazz bass bridge here. So let's see how that sounds. And now let's try Strat Bridge. So I'm going to try something different now. I'm going to change this button here over to control, and I'm going to make sure that the 4 button is pushed here, which is pitch shift. Now, what you can do with this is to adjust with your foot the pedal here, and it will change the tuning of the guitar. So let's hear that. Now, using this control button again, I'm going to change the patch here to double. Now let's see what you can do here. Now let's push the Alt Tunings button here. So now I'll just demonstrate the different tunings you can have. You can have, this is standard tuning. Let's move the pedal now. Drop D. Open E. And this is just me strumming the open strings here. Open A. Open G. Open D. E minor. And you can actually bar up the neck as well. Let's go. And you've got A minor. D minor. What's this one? Double drop D. Ooh. Bass. And then you've got some custom presets as well. Now let's change it over to the tone switch here. So this is using the tone switch. So if I have it with my foot fully forward, it sounds like this. And back. So you can almost get like a wah-wah sort of effect from it. And then we can push the model button. Now I can go with my foot fully rocked back. It starts with modern humbucker. Change to California single coil. Acoustic. Nash single coil. Mini humbucker. P90. SLO Custom HSS, whatever that is. That's quite nice, that one. Vintage humbucker. Vintage lipstick. And bass. And Japan Custom HSH. Okay, lastly, let's look at the Capo button. Now what I can do now is to rock back and forwards the pedal to change like different capo positions. So it's almost like sticking a capo on your guitar, but as opposed to just going one way, you can go up and down. So if this is right in the middle now, but I can take it up and then go all the way back. So you almost get like a baritone guitar sort of sound. Interesting. Okay, so what do I think of this? I think it's really good, actually. Now, the problem that I think Antares are going to be facing is that most of us guitarists are quite purist in the way that we like to buy gear and play gear. So for me, I'm not so much like that. I've got like an 11 rack and some Line 6 gear and lots of guitar plugins. So I'm a little bit more versatile in that sense. Most guitarists like just a guitar and they like to plug straight into an amp. But if you're one of those guitarists that likes technology and wants to try some things out, this is definitely worth a look. Now, you can actually buy these Roland style pickups. A couple of companies make them as well as Roland. And you can retrofit it to your guitar. And it's actually quite a neat thing to do. You don't have to do any drilling. I think everything just basically sticks to it. So you could do that. Or you could also just go and buy yourself a Fender guitar, which actually has the GK pickup built into it. But obviously that's going to create a larger expense. So I'm Paul from Production Expert. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time.